Several villages in Thailand offer opportunities to engage with traditional crafts and learn about local customs. Nong Khuen Chang is known for its intricate textiles and vibrant cultural experiences. Thaithani Cultural Village provides an immersive experience with traditional architecture, dance, shadow puppetry, and hands-on activities like crafts and cooking. Khao Sok is a hub for southern Thai crafts, including batik painting, weaving, and pottery. Sang Handicraft Village near Chiang Mai is famous for its handmade paper umbrellas made from bamboo and mulberry paper. Nong Khuen Chang Handicraft Village focuses on traditional Thai handicrafts, including intricate textiles and cultural experiences. Khao Sok offers workshops in batik painting, weaving, and pottery, providing insight into southern Thai culture. Thaithani Cultural Village features traditional architecture, Thai dance, shadow puppetry, and hands-on activities like crafts and cooking. Sang Handicraft Village, known for its production of brightly colored paper umbrellas made from bamboo and mulberry paper. San Kampeng Road, Handicraft Highway, offers a variety of traditional products like cutlery, hand-woven cloth, and pottery, with opportunities to engage with local artisans. Mon villages in Kanchanaburi, home to the Mon ethnic group, known for their weaving techniques and traditional dances. Calm Village in Chiang Mai, an art, crafts, and culture center with workshops, exhibitions, and community engagement. Thai markets are a feast for the senses, brimming with vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and a wide array of fresh produce and local delicacies. These bustling marketplaces offer a glimpse into Thai culture and cuisine, showcasing the freshest ingredients and most authentic dishes. From bustling street food stalls to traditional markets like Rorot's Market in Chiang Mai, there's an adventure for every foodie and traveler. Markets are overflowing with colorful fruits like mangoes, rambutans, and durian, alongside fragrant herbs, spices, and vegetables. The air is filled with the mouth-watering smells of pad thai, som tam, papaya salad, and other popular dishes, often cooked right in front of you. Upstairs in some markets, you'll find colorful textiles, silks, and handcrafted goods, adding another layer of visual appeal.